This is a 2013 Ford Fusion, and we are replacing the side mirror. First thing we have to do is that we have to remove the inner door panel, this switch panel right here. Take our trim tool here, pry up on the back of that. Work our way back. And there is the panel. Now, there is a electrical connector on the panel, and we have to remove that now. Lock right here. Alright, panel is all off. Next thing we have to do is to remove this panel behind the door pull. And underneath there, you will see a 10mm headed bolt, and we have to remove that now. Underneath the switch, you will see two 5.5mm headed screws, and we got to remove those now. Underneath the bottom of the door trim, you will find two 7mm headed bolts. We have to remove those. One right here, and one right there. So we have to remove those now. Next thing we have to do is pop the door panel off. And then lift up on it. Last clip. Underneath the door trim, we have this electrical connector we want to disconnect. Right there. And then we have two of these connectors over here, and we want to disconnect those. Okay, pull cable right here. And you need two hands for that. Let's see if I can do it. Hold it with my knee. Lift that up. And she's off. It's a two-hand job. I did it with one hand and a knee. Alright, panel is all off. Next we have to remove this control box right here from the door. There are two 7mm headed bolts, and we have to remove those now. Next thing we have to do is to remove the speaker, because that's where the electrical connector for the mirror is located. We'll start by removing the connector here from the speaker. And then there are three 7mm headed screws that hold the speaker on. So we have to remove those now. Now, to disconnect the electrical connector from the mirror, I go right in here with a flat-bladed screwdriver, and I grab a hold of the lock and push the lock on the connector. I know it's hard to see. If I had a little better lighting. And then you can reach through the speaker and then pull the wire off the connector. And here is the connector right there. There's the connector. Here's the thing I pushed down with the screwdriver right here and pulled it off. Boy, that is a tight spot, I tell you. Next thing we have to do is take these covers, peel them back, and on this side you'll see two 11mm nuts, and over here one 11mm nut, and we got to remove those now. Got to be careful we don't drop these nuts down the door. I'd put a little tape in there to hold these nuts. Okay. Slow and steady. And there is the last nut. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on. Here's the hardest part, getting the electrical connector out. But there it is. Mirror's all out. To put our new mirror in, all we have to do is feed our electrical connector back in. Like that. Line up our studs. All right, now we can go inside and put the nuts on the studs. We got to put our nuts back in place without dropping them in the door. Now for the difficult part, getting the electrical connector back on there. I got the connector in, only took about 3 or 4 minutes. I used the screwdriver in here. The trick is to bend the connector so it lines up and then push it in. A little tricky, limited on space. Let's put our speaker back. Let's put this control box back. Okay, now we can put our trim. Wait a minute. Let's put this cover back on. Now we can put our trim panel on. this out of your way here. Let's see, we got 3 electrical connectors here. One, 2, 3. Okay, trim panel is all back on. Now it's a matter of just putting those 2 bolts, the switch back in, a couple of screws on the bottom, and then this one right up here, and that's it. Job's all done. So that's all there is to replacing a side mirror on your Ford Fusion.